In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website in Figma. We'll keep this simple and beginner friendly, so even if you're new to Figma or to design in general, you can follow along without feeling overwhelmed. First, open Figma and head to your files or drafts area. There you should see a project or file related to your website. Look for the option or thumbnail labeled site. This is usually a starting point or a template frame that's been prepared for you to begin designing your web layout. Go ahead and click on Site. When you open it, you'll typically see one or more frames that represent web pages, like a home page. A frame is basically your canvas for each page. Take a moment to zoom in and out and pan around so you can get familiar with the layout. This helps you understand the structure before making any changes. Once you've clicked on the site and you're inside the file, you'll notice some on-screen prompts. These might appear as tooltips, short bits of instructional text, or little callouts around the design. All you need to do at this stage is follow those on-screen prompts. They are there to guide you through the initial setup of your website design. For example, a prompt might tell you to rename your frame to something like Home, so it's easy to identify later, or it might suggest adjusting the frame size to a standard desktop width, such as 1440 pixels. Another prompt might show you where to drop in images, logos, or text, so you can start customizing the content to match your brand or idea. Make sure to read each prompt carefully before clicking away. If a prompt highlights a button, a layer, or a panel in the interface, hover over that area and see what it does. This is a great way to learn Figma's tools while building your website. If you ever feel lost, you can use the undo shortcut to step back and then slowly go through the instructions again. Take your time, there's no rush.